Lavender and mint tea is a delightful beverage that offers a world of benefits. And today, we're sharing 10 amazing reasons why it deserves a spot in your daily routine. Imagine sipping on a cup of this aromatic blend, enjoying its soothing and refreshing flavors. But what makes it so special? Stick around, and you'll discover the secrets behind this incredible tea and why it's loved by so many. In our fast-paced lives, stress, fatigue, and health concerns often take a toll on us. We look for simple yet effective ways to improve our well-being, and that's where lavender and mint tea comes into play. Its unique combination of lavender's calming properties and mint's invigorating effects creates the perfect balance for both your body and mind. This tea is a natural remedy for stress relief. Lavender's well-known ability to calm the mind and reduce anxiety pairs beautifully with mint's refreshing aroma, creating a drink that not only tastes great but also soothes your senses. It can help improve focus and boost your energy levels without the need for caffeine. For those looking to support their digestion, this tea works wonders in easing bloating and promoting a healthy gut. Another reason to fall in love with lavender and mint tea is its potential to improve sleep quality. The calming effects of lavender help you unwind, making it easier to drift into a peaceful sleep. Pair this with mint's ability to clear your airways and promote relaxation, and you have a nighttime drink that's hard to beat. The tea also supports a healthy immune system with its antioxidants, keeping you better prepared to fight off illnesses. If you're into skincare, you'll be thrilled to know that drinking lavender and mint tea can enhance your skin's appearance. The antioxidants help combat free radicals, reducing signs of aging and keeping your skin radiant. On top of that, this tea is hydrating and helps flush out toxins, giving you that natural glow. Whether you're seeking a comforting drink on a cold day or a refreshing iced tea in the summer, lavender and mint tea is versatile and easy to prepare. It's not just a drink, it's an experience that brings tranquility and vitality to your life, so why wait? Add lavender and mint tea to your routine and enjoy all these incredible benefits. If you haven't tried it yet, now's the perfect time. Feel free to share your experience in the comments and let us know how it has made a difference in your day. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more amazing content, and share this with your friends.